Do you see Canadian soldiers being in Afghanistan after 2011? Do you think it's going to continue?
No, I think the parliamentary resolution we arrived at in the spring was a good one. I think Canada will have some presence in Afghanistan after 2011. I anticipate it to be more on the development reconstruction side, but particularly in Kandahar, we will have been by 2011. We will have been in Kandahar, which is probably the toughest province in the country, for 6 years. For 6 years. I think, not only have we done our bit at that point, I think our goal has to be, after 6 years, to see the government of Afghanistan able to carry the lion's share of responsibility for its own security. A sovereign government at some point has to be able to be primarily responsible for the day-to-day security of the country. That's what we're trying to do through training programs. I think we are making some progress. And, the solution isn't, and I've told people to be realistic, I mean, the goal in Afghanistan, is not that there will be no insurgency or the insurgency will be eradicated by 2011. I don't think that's realistic if you look at the history of Afghanistan, but that you will have a government that is able, given that insurgency, to nevertheless manage its day-to-day security. And so that's our goal, and I don't really think there'll be much appetite among Canadians. I don't even think among the armed forces themselves, although they probably wouldn't say so, much appetite to see rotations continuing the way they've been after 6 years.
The idea that you were saying that we will be, if I understand, I don't want to put words in your mouth, but 2011, tell me what happens with Canadian troops in Afghanistan.
Well, we're planning for our withdrawal of Canadian troops from Afghanistan in 2011.
So you're saying they're all gone by 2011?
We've been very clear about that. Certainly the mission in Kandahar, as we've known it, I don't want to say we won't have a single troop there because, obviously we could aid in some technical capacities. But at that point, the mission, as we've known it, we intend to end it. And, I think you have to put an end date on these things. And not just because I don't think the Canadian public will want to continue after that. I don't even think the Canadian military, although they won't admit it, would want to continue after that point. I think that we have to, say to the government of Afghanistan, we have an expectation that you are going to be responsible for your own security. We're not there to permanently manage your security. We're there to assist you in building up your capacity to manage the security situation. And that's what we're working towards. Now, that doesn't mean, as I said, we'll be completely absent from Afghanistan, and certainly we've got important roles in development, reconstruction, and other technical assistance to the Afghan government. We've got to keep the thing on. We've made a big investment. We can't see Afghanistan fall back to what it was. But, if we need the level of Canadian forces in Afghanistan in 2011, we need it throughout Afghanistan that we have today, we're not succeeding.